Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. Then again 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. Now 3. So 8 multiply 3 is equal to 192. Okay. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So according to the PEMDAS, first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So is equal to 11 minus 3. Now solve this parenthesis. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. Then 3. So now the expression becomes 11 minus 3, remove parenthesis, so multiply 8 multiply 3. Okay, so now is equal to 11. According to PEMDAS rule, here is subtraction and here is multiplication. First priority is multiplication. Okay, so first we have to solve this multiplication, then we have to solve this subtraction. Okay, so minus 3 multiply 8 multiply 3. Okay, so is equal to 72. Now 11 minus 72 is equal to minus 61. So the correct answer is minus 61. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.